Anti-wear substance is required in all engine oils to protect valve train components and other metal surfaces from premature wear. Today's passenger car engine oils do not contain enough ZDDP additive for proper engine protection during the break-in process. ZDDP provides the additional protection that your remanufactured engine needs. Our ZDDP is super concentrated so that only a small amount is needed to treat your oil for new cam break-in. EngineTech's ZDDP is the premium concentrated zinc anti-wear engine oil additive. Our specially formulated product is specifically designed to protect camshafts, valve train components, piston ring and cylinder liner contact areas from premature wear caused by today's oils. EngineTech also offers camshaft assembly paste enriched with CamShield Premium ZDDP anti-wear technology. The assembly paste provides fortified anti-wear protection for new camshafts during initial break-in. It is used with all mechanical and hydraulic camshafts and lifters and must be used for all engines with flat tappet lifters. Applying a coating of CamShield Premium Camshaft Assembly Paste to all camshaft lobes, lifter faces, distributor gear, and pushrod tips initiate proper cam break-in and prevents galling.